morning, guys. It's really early. I hope I'm gonna check this Bagster out. Sorry if I take the steel?
What do you want?
The steel?
Yeah, you want to.
I'm just gonna load this up. I'll process it at home. Yeah, it'll fold up on itself. Going in there, I hope. Maybe not. Wow. Jeez. Good Lord. Let's see if I can get that to swing up over the top here. Oh, let go of that. Come on. God dang it. Oh, jeez. Might be biting off more than I can chew here, guys. Look how far up that goes. No, you're going in, whether you like it or not. That's gonna be whoa. That's gonna be riding up front with me, guys. Oh, what a little bicycle is that? Wait, I'll take that too. This is where I wish I had a truck, but I don't. So I have to make do with what I have. You know what? I'm pretty sure it's steel. Yep, that's all steel. Go clean that up, man. Don't leave that. You don't ask for a gift and then leave your mess behind. There's another one. It's only a short one, but what's this? Oh, that's plastic. Right there, guys. See it? You see it? I'm gonna get that. Okay, this is difficult. Okay, I don't want to fool around much longer than I have to, so I'm going to get the copper, call this pile, check, get that off there. There's one piece, there's brass there, might be brass there, I don't know. Oh, yeah. Come on, twist it a little bit. Oh, get your hand around it. There we go. Not much, but it's some copper. It might be stainless. This will go for processing, and that will go for, and another one. Yeah, well, just gotta be careful. All right. Thank you. See you guys in a bit. Oh, see you in a bit. I was just over there. Now I'm right here. Oh. Come on. So's the cord. Oh, God. Look at that thing. I've never seen one of those before, have you? Wow. There we go. Anything else? Yeah, I don't see anything else, guys. See how easy that was? I'll just use the old pocket knife on occasion. That's a big ass plug. I've never seen one like that before. It's heavy too. So, might be worth cracking into. Well, so here's the situation I'm in, guys. What is in my pocket? Oh, just my keys. Here's the situation I'm in. My wife and I don't live paycheck to paycheck, but she only works part-time. So if I end up with a malady of some type of illness and I have to take off of work, it puts a dent in our pays. Alright? I miss 6 hours of work. My take-home pay for 2 weeks was only $698. That's $38 more than my rent. Okay? Part of the reason why I don't rent a storage unit yet, I don't make enough in scrap to pay for it. So, but we're gonna move on, okay? More scrap coming. The question is, how hard is it gonna be to get out of here? So, oh brother. Yeah. See, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Oh, I moved one stick. Oh. What is holding you in there? There we go. It's a little kid's teeter-totter off a swing set. There's not much weight to it, but it is heavier than, I'd say, 20 of the desperation mops. Ouch. Alright. We'll be moving on now. Wonder if that's stainless. All great. Another one of these deals. Okay, turn it this way, flip it over. Yeah. Like so. That's a piece of extruded aluminum, I'll bet you right there. See if I can get it this way. I indeed could. So this whole thing's probably aluminum. Let's see. If nothing else, it goes to shred. I'm pretty sure that's aluminum. Yep. Well, I'll figure it out. I could be totally wrong, but nope, this is all metal. Oh, I bet you that. Oh, this is cool. That's all metal. This is gonna be fun. I'll take what I can. There's brass right there, I'll bet you. Yeah, this is like... Yeah. See if I can... All right, we'll stick it under here to hold it a little bit. See if I can stamp it down. Perfect. So let's do some quick rearranging here. So I'm excited because one of my videos has over 1,000 views. God, this is heavy. Yeah. Wow, it's really heavy. And it's dirty as hell too. But you know what? I gotta find a way to get this in there. I'm thinking I'm gonna bring the van over here because there's no way in hell I want to carry that all the way over there. Alright guys, I had to do a little rearranging back here. Make room for this stuff because I don't want to just get this today and that's it. So had to move some of the stuff over to there. Alright, I gotta turn this up. There we go. Well, that's a nice little haul. Nice little haul right there, huh? All right, sweet. What's this? Oh, come on. I'm gonna take it. Yep, I'm gonna take this. Throw it in here for processing. All right, but I'll take the chair. Should I look through that even though it says food? Haven't had my breakfast yet. All right. Yep. I like stuff like this because go right like that. Yep. Quick find, guys. I don't take glass, so this stays behind, but I will take these. How about that? I gotta be careful flinging stuff here because there are some sharp corners on this stuff, and I don't want my hands getting all mucked up. I know I should be wearing my gloves. I almost drove by this. So I was looking at that box, which I'm gonna get that, but I wanna look in here. Yep, okay. So, yeah. Oh, guys, guess what? Maybe? Come on, maybe? Is it? Maybe? The Holy Grail. #1 copper wire. Yeah. I want to be taking that, to be sure, along with... Yeah. Sorry, folks, don't want the lights. What is that? Yeah, I'm coming back to this. I see some other stuff in here that I might want. I mean, this is going up front with me, because that's even more #1. You're going over there like that. Yep, I know, Dan. Brass. Oh, come on. Is it worth the metal? Yes, it is. Yeah. Good thing I've been looking for a hairbrush. Oh, now I got 2 of them. Sweet. Yeah, I'll even take the desperation piece. Oh, look at that. Wait a minute. Saw the dog food bag, thought it was something else. I like stuff like this. It's not heavy, but it's like mid-grade weight, and it's easy, sort of easy to fit. So I turned the corner from where I find that number 1 copper wire, and look at this. I had to fit that in there. If not, I'll bungee it down to the top by the ladder. Wow, I don't know. I think... Shit. Okay. Come on. Lean. There you go. Hey. You guys, you want this? I can't fit the damn thing in there. So, oh yeah. I don't know where you want to put it, but
I appreciate it.
you betcha, man. Yeah, I can't fit it. I got them seats. All right, thanks, brother. That. Oh man, that's some aluminum, I think. Yeah, it's aluminum. Maybe not. How wide is it? Yeah, it's too wide to go crossways on the van. I can hear it now. What are you doing, Fatso? What I know how to do. Oh, yeah. On the fly, anyways. It's light. It shouldn't go anywhere. It won't become a. Shouldn't become a like a wing or anything. So no. A couple of strands. You know what? I'm just gonna. So I gotta cut this off anyways. There we go. Oh. Yeah, I know how to make certain survival knots, but I'm just gonna granny tie this like 3 times each. That'll hold it on there. Alright. I'm gonna call that secure. How about you? Check this out. Huh? Just found this in the trash. I'm in park. Found this in the trash with some racks. Oh, a couple of. Look at there's some doggies. Drum kit parts, like a bass drum pedal, a hi-hat stand bottom, and some heavy duty wire shelving. Doesn't weigh worth a damn, but okay, so the bicycle training wheel is kind of in the way. Huh? I don't want to break my window. What if I can... Stay right there. And well, guys, I'd call that a successful street run for today. Put in with the one I got yesterday. I did not make a run to the scrapyard. I'm going to do that tomorrow morning. I'm going to, hit some dumpsters on the way home in the morning. Fill in some spaces if I can, and then I'll go to the scrapyard tomorrow. They're open from 8 till noon. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. My love to all of you. Each and every one of you. Have a wonderful day, guys.